Your car is making noises that suggest a wheel is about to fall off and money is tight. But luckily, you found an internet how-to video that makes the repair you need but can't afford right now look so easy you're going to try it. You spend a couple hours going back and forth over the video until you know the steps by heart. You're confident you know exactly what to do. So you head to the auto parts store for the things you'll need. But at the parts store, you're hit with a bunch of questions you don't know the answers to. Of course, the year of your car is simple, but model, engine family, production date, VIN, options codes, J codes, what's all this? Due to running production line changes, this is information you probably need to buy parts these days. So if you plan on buying auto parts, begin by making a list of vehicle vitals. To find out what information you'll need, call the parts store before going there. The fun begins. Where are all the decals located to find this information? On the door, under the hood, in the trunk, behind a panel? Yes, they could be in any or all of these places. Another couple of hours on the internet and you have the locations of the information you need. And you've made your list. Well, glad that part is over. And you're ready to get to work. You head back to the parts store. The fun continues because when you ask for the parts described in the video, you find out that that idiot on the video described parts using slang names. And the poor parts person has no idea what you're asking for. So you point at those god-awful pictures on the screen and hope you get the right stuff. Of course they're wrong, but you don't know it until you get the car torn apart and damn it, the new part is a fraction of an inch too big, too small, too something, and doesn't fit. Seems there are different designs depending on where the car was built. To make matters worse, you had to taxi back to the store to rent a puller to separate the parts. Yeah, the one in the video practically fell into the guy's hand when he loosened the last bolt. Hey, welcome to the real world of fixing cars. Yet more fun. Your car is in pieces and can't be driven. So again, you have to Uber back to the parts store to return the wrong part and get one that fits. After a lot of searching by you and the parts person, you find the problem in footnote 36 on page 91. Why the hell didn't they put the damn footnote on the same page as the listing for the part? Oh well, you found the information and oh joy! This time, the proper part has to come from the warehouse, which should take 2 hours. But 2 hours slowly mutates into 2 days, leaving you with a car in pieces and no way to get around. What a frickin' mess! What with a more expensive part, paying for rides for 2 days, tool rental, and other unexpected stuff, it has cost you more than if you had paid the shop to do it. Oh yeah, if this sounds outlandish, try running 2 large repair shops like I do, and you'll luckily learn it happens all the time. So, if you're having a shop do your repairs, keep in mind it's a complicated business, and getting the right part often takes some time. Also, yelling doesn't magically make a non-existent part magically appear. If you're thinking about doing your own repairs, remember, it isn't what you know that gets you in trouble, it's what you don't know. And it is rarely as easy as it is in an internet video. No edits possible in real life. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Goss's Garage on YouTube. Follow us on Facebook, and for more car tips, tricks, and money-saving ideas, visit goss-garage.com. Drive gently. See you next time right here in Goss's Garage.